Welcome back, guys. We're out here in front of Calypso beach at the public beach on the rocks. Let's see what we can hook up. Oh, this is going to be a good fishing morning. Supposed to be coming on the bite at around 10 o'clock today, so it's 8 o'clock now. We're going to bait up, put in, and let's see what happens. I'm going to start with some sandboards, chucker. Oh man, I've been trying to get out here all week. Last weekend was a bust. Tried to do a fishing weekend, went the next day. Place was stunning, but just no fish, man, not even a nibble. First cast of the day. Nicely out here. Made it quite difficult to stand on the rocks. I'm slipping and sliding here. So far it's been a dry, windy morning here. No hookups, no action, no nothing. Windy day though. I've had to change position here. So I'm out here now on top of the rock. Let's see if it's any better. Alright guys, calling it there. Nothing this morning, but it was a beautiful morning. Very windy now towards the end. But we're going to see if we can hook up something tomorrow. Cheers.